I'll be presenting topic on trends in digital technology. The overview, as you can see, I will stress more about input and output device, operating system, communication technology, cybersecurity, and multimedia technology. The common factor in the common factor in all 5 topics is that they have basic component of modern technology system and plays a significant role in how we use and interact modern technology. The first topic is new technology trend in input and output device. The advancement in input and output device are making human computer interaction more natural, immersive, and efficient. Input technology trend offers key advantages like improving user experience, faster performance, and interactive devices. Innovations such as AI and input voice and smart display make tasks easier and more efficient. To conclude, technology trends are evolved how we work, live, and communicate by making systems more smarter. The second topic is different types of operating system. An operating system is a very instrumental with computer, and without operating system, computer is useless or meaningless. An operating system is efficient, meaning easy to use, different format that operating system is providing within the computer system. Benefits of operating system include efficient resource management, user interface, multitask, security, and access control to hardware capabilities. Operating system is purposely for memory management, processing management, device management, and file handling, security, system performance handling, and job accounting and handling. An operating system plays a crucial role by managing both hardware and software in the computer system. The third topic is communication in network connected world. Communication technology refers to the tool and system used to convey information between user and machine. This technology involves sharing of message, data, voice, and video across various distances quickly and efficiently. Some advantages of communication in connected world are instant global support, remote area, and learning. Despite disadvantages, there are some disadvantages of communication in the network world in information, reduced privacy, and cybersecurity risk. Communication in network communication in connected world has evolved on how people interact, work, and access information. The fourth topic is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity cybersecurity threats are growing continuously. Cybersecurity threat refers to harmful attempts which damage, disrupt data, or stall network or system. These threats affect government, business, and individual in many forms like malware, phishing, ransomware, denial of service, man-in-the-middle, SQL injection, and many more. Some benefits of cybersecurity is to protect sensitive data, prevent cyber attacks, and ensure business continuity. Despite disadvantages, cybersecurity has some challenges as the high implementation cost, limited accessibility, and complex maintenance. Cybersecurity is significant in digital world to safeguard system data. The fifth topic is multimedia technology. Multimedia technology have changed the way information is communicated, which making it more engaging and interactive and effective between different platforms in industry. The other essential component is hardware like microphone, graphic tablets, high resolution camera, and virtual reality headset, which are key components of capturing and experiencing the multimedia content. Multimedia technology are globally used in entertainment, for movies, video game, and business for marketing, remote communication, and in education for e-learning platform. Recommend focus on user-centered design and many more. Here are the reference that you can go and set. Thank you, and that's all.